Welcome everybody in this beautiful and historic city and the birthplace of Yianni. Today we gather on this joyful occasion to celebrate the love between Sarah and Yianni on their wedding day.
Sarah, from the moment I met you, I knew you were different from any other girl I'd met. You walk through life with altruism and sincerity, and a moral compass which never strays from north. Wherever life takes us, I know I'll always feel at home when I'm with you.
We aren't the same people that we were 7 years ago. It's safe to assume we won't be the same people 7 years from now as well. But how exciting is that? I feel lucky that for the rest of my life, I get to fall in love with you over and over again.
Sarah and Yianni first met on spring break in Cancun, Mexico, but they reconnected at Electric Forest, a music festival in Rothbury, Michigan in 2018, where I had the pleasure of meeting Sarah. I'll never forget pushing through a crowd of 7,000 people to see one of our favorite DJs at the time, Bootbox Cartel, only to have Yianni pull me away to go find Sarah. I was like, why? We just got here. He looked me dead in the face. He was Nigel. She's special.
I did think of myself as her protector, but the truth is Sarah doesn't need a rock because she is one. She chooses Yianni because they are better together than incredible teammates.
I am very proud of the person you have become. You are someone I look up for inspiration, possibly one of the highest compliments a father can give to his son. I'm so happy that you have found the person you will share this journey with.
Oh, sweetie.
Deep inside this ancient heart, you'll always be a part of me.
I've been looking forward to this for so long.
I've seen firsthand just how much love Sarah has to offer. How patient and there for her people she is. She is honestly the best of us. And I truly believe my sister found her twin flame in you.
Now, I'm not a big believer in love at first sight, but this man was absolutely infatuated with you, Sarah, the second he saw you. He said, "She is my serenity.
You ready?
She gives me nothing but peace."
That's my heart you're carrying. You cradle it. I know you will.
You are the reason. The drive that fuels me to be a better person each day for you and our future family. I vow to stay by your side, for richer or poorer, and continue to remain faithful and loyal to the woman I'm proud to call the love of my life.
Loving you is easy. It felt easy in the beginning, and it feels easy to me now. So I promise to prioritize us, even when life becomes too busy and a bit too much. I vow to find you in the midst of it all and slow down.
I now pronounce you husband and wife.
It took so much for everybody to be here from multiple different countries, and it means so much to us to see both sides of our family, our friends all coming here. So we just wanted to say thank you, and that the open bar is now open.
I'd like to thank every single one of you for coming out here. Every single one of you here plays a very important part, both Sarah and I's life. And just know that this night will always be in our memories forever.